What is something your school bully did that backfired on them horribly? I go to private school, and in junior high to high school, Stacy was part of the popular group. In our school, she would terrorize me and my friends every day. She even created a fake Facebook account of me, added everyone in the school, and posted the most atrocious and disgusting posts. She would call out names of students, bad-mouthing them, and the next morning, there's a bunch of them on me because they thought it was me who wrote it. That was my last straw until I ended up in a youth mental hospital after my mom found me in my bedroom unconscious. While I was at the hospital, my mom hired a private investigator to dig into what went down and why her daughter suddenly wanted to. It took 4 weeks, but my mom walked into the principal's office loaded with lawsuits against the school and the students that bullied me. My mom didn't hesitate to call out the principal to investigate the bullying and harassment Stacy was doing. Apparently, the investigator dug more than just my bullying incident. He found out something about Stacy's dad's illegal business, and when exposed, it can ruin their existence. Oh, my mom tipped it to the police anonymously. Her mom pulled her out of the school. Nobody heard from her ever again.